the next video. In today's video I will show you how to get access to all the audio files or mp3 files which are present inside Apple Music and display it on your user's device or on user's app using native iOS with Swift, and also play it inside AvPlayerViewController. So here, as soon as I open my app, it asks me for some permission. I'll click on OK, and once you have the permission, currently I'm not able to display thumbnail of any of these songs, because I'm not sure what exactly the issue is, whether the thumbnail is not present even in Apple Music. I have tried to install some other app, music app. Even in that, it was not visible. That's why currently I'm just showing some default thumbnail in case the thumbnail is not present. And but I have written code to display the thumbnail as well. If you find any bug regarding the thumbnail, do let me know in the comment, because I'm not an iOS user or an iPad user, so I don't know much about it. But yeah, here you can see I have it is able to fetch all the audio files which are present inside Apple Music, and if I click any one of it, it will open AvPlayerViewController and start playing it. So that's it. Now let's get started with the code. So first, as usual, I have created a native iOS application. Next, inside info.plist, you will have to add this media library usage description permission. Okay, or if you can go over here as well and add this permission, media library usage description. Next, inside assets, I have just added this no song found image. If you want, you can add it or ignore it. Then inside UI extension, I have just created this extension so that I can easily do NS layout stuff. Next, I have created an audio cell. So this will be each cell of our table view. So here you can see I'm taking an image view as well as an label. So image view will display thumbnail, label will display everything. So I'm just using one label to display the title, album title, as well as what else, the artist name. If you want, you can add duration as well or take separate labels. And here you can see I'm just adding it to our view. Then I'm doing some NS layout constraints for our image view as well as for our label. Next, inside view controller, you will have to import media player as well as AVKit. Then extend UI table view delegate as well as UI table view data source. Then I have taken a UI table view. Then I have created an array of MP media item. I have added our table view to our view. Then same old stuff, setting the delegate data source row height and registering our audio cell with our table view. Then this is the NS layout stuff happening with the help of extension. And here you can see we are requesting for music library permission. So once the permission has been granted, I am using MP media query and adding a filter predicate to this. So I just want the music.raw value, and here you can see I'm looping over each and every item and just appending it to our array, and then reloading our table view. And inside count, I'm just returning that data.count. And here inside table view, as you can see, I'm using a DQ reusable cell with my cell as an identifier, because that's the same which we are using over here. And here we are fetching each and every item. Now to get the thumbnail, I'm using something like this, but if the thumbnail is empty, I'm just displaying an UI image of no song found. And this is how you will fetch the title for it. And this is for the album title. So you don't need this prefix, like I just wanted the first 20 characters of my song, but if you want the entire album title, then you can remove this. And this is for the artist name. So the item property will have a lot of different things. So if you are curious, you can just have a look at it. So yeah, there are a lot of properties to this, but I have just added these three properties, and here I'm returning a cell. And once I click on each of the item of our table view, again I'm getting that particular item, and here I'm just getting the asset URL for this, then creating a player out of it, then initializing our player view controller and assigning the player to player view controller, and just presenting to play the audio. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.